If you think SEO is dead, you're looking at the wrong headline. What's changing is how and where people get their answers. Generative engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity are now essential in the discovery journey. Today, let's dive into how GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, works hand in hand with SEO to keep you visible when users ask their questions. SEO's goal remains the same: to deliver the best answers quickly. However, the medium is evolving. It's no longer just about traditional search results. Now, social platforms, forums, and AI tools play significant roles. Consider search everywhere optimization, with GEO as a crucial component. This transition isn't new. We've been evolving past 10 blue links for years, incorporating features like snippets and embedded tools. Generative answers are simply the next progression in this journey. Understanding user intent and delivering clear, actionable answers still matter. Make your content easy to extract by using tight headings and scannable sections. Build your authority through valuable sources and brand mentions. While keyword stuffing is out, keyword research continues to help you map user demand and language effectively. GEO expands your scope significantly. People search across platforms like TikTok and Reddit, and LLMs use these sources for citations. Publish and engage where your audience searches, not just on your own site. Tracking your brand's presence across diverse platforms is vital for optimizing visibility in AI-powered responses. To incorporate GEO into your SEO strategy, start by creating topic-focused, conversational pages with clear navigation links and FAQs. Use reputable sources, updated statistics, and unique resources to encourage user return visits. Don't forget to regularly refresh or prune underperforming content. For links and authority, strengthen your internal links to key evergreen content. And remember to assess backlink relevance semantically, focusing on quality over quantity. Technically, ensure your website's crawlability is optimal using robots.txt and consider what LLMs may require for indexing. Adding an RSS feed is a great way to signal freshness, while structured data can enhance your representation in search. Monitor crawling and indexing closely, not just rankings. Organizationally, embrace GEO as part of your SEO strategy. Train your team on how to enhance LLM visibility, start reporting on generative content sources, and share findings and successes within your organization. As we look ahead, be prepared for new surfaces and AI that completes tasks for users. Your role will be to structure your content so that both humans and AI agents can trust, cite, and act upon it. Remember, GEO is not a replacement for SEO. It's simply the next layer in its evolution. If you're interested in a quick GEO audit, drop GEO in the comments. I'll provide you with a checklist for optimizing your content, links, and technical elements to make your site AI ready.